Hey guys, I was needing a method of roughing my gouges out, and I could have got another multi-jig for my tormek, but it would have worn that expensive wheel out extremely fast. So I got me an 8-inch grinder, Harbor Freight Special, and of course the little standard tool rests that they come with are pressed metal, not very good for anything. I took some flat steel, used the mounts off the dust cowl, screwed that, made a pivot point here where this will adjust so I can bring this forward and backwards. Took some 5/8 bar, put a miter in it, welded it together. But I want to show you what I'm facing with some of the ends of these. They're in all conditions. The previous owner did a fine job of taking some and getting them back. Some of them are set, most of them are still in kennel. Two are out. I think I'm going to go back with them all out for the ease of sharpening. There was also the need for a jig to apply to the gouge. I took some flat steel, spaced it evenly, welded this contraption together, put a point on the screw, and now it's adjustable. Put your gouge in, center it, hold it to the bar, and turn and cook. Pray you don't burn your tips up. This is just so I can get the roughing back, and it's pretty much going to be hit it a lick, cool it in water, hit it a lick, cool it in water. Hopefully I won't take the temper out of the steel. Slow and easy. My goal here, after I get it through both grits of the wheel and get it close, is then to leave it on the jig, come to the tormek, and get the same effect.